Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and this is a quick update. There is a cumulative update that was released today. We are Tuesday, March 31st, 2020, and this is a single fix. So if you are a VPN user, if you have been having connectivity issues with your VPN, well, that is a known problem that is now fixed. So Microsoft has released a cumulative update. It's available for the last 5 versions of Windows 10, 1709, 1803, which are not supported for most people, but 1809, so if you're on the October 2018 update, 1903, the May 2019 update, and 1909, the November 2019 update, all have this little cumulative fix. Now, of course, if you're not using a VPN, you don't have to do this. This is an optional update. And if you have no problems, just leave it there. It will not install automatically. You have to do it yourself because it is in the optional updates. That brings your version of the October 2018 update to 17763.1132. And if you're on the May or November 2019 update, this will bring your number to 18363 or 18362.753. And once again, it's only one fix. There's no security in here, and it's only a fix for the VPN problem that is in Windows 10 right now. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.